Thank you. First of all, I'd like to apologize for our co-founding team. One of us just had a baby a couple days ago, so his first child. Clearly more important than hanging out here with all of us. The other one is with his family in Boston. Let me give you a brief introduction to TrepScore. Before I do so, can I see a show of hands? Who is a co-founder or self-employed? Mr. Not as many hands as I thought. Is everyone paying attention? So as co-founders and self-employed people, there's two things that constantly get brought up to us, time and money. And developing the importance of which one is more important, or developing the relevancy of which one is more important is kind of an age-old issue. So the question is, do you have enough time as a co-founder or self-employed person? Do you really have enough time to truly innovate? By the way, this is my 15th company. I've been an entrepreneur for a very long time. Very well connected throughout the country, in some cases globally, and these are issues that I'm bringing to the table for this company. Survey of over 1,000 entrepreneurs reveals the average founder or co-founder of a company spends between 30 and 45 minutes every day collecting, managing, organizing, and analyzing their very own data. That's your CRM, your GitHub account, your social media accounts. Every account you have has some technology been designed to try to make our lives more time efficient and our lives more profitable. It's actually sucking away a lot of time of entrepreneurs. Same survey reveals that the average entrepreneur, and when I say this around non-entrepreneurs, they think I'm a lunatic, and when I say it around entrepreneurs, everybody goes, oh yeah, no, at least that much time. The average entrepreneur spends between 45 and 60 minutes every day searching for actionable information or articles, podcasts, videos that can help you grow your business every single day. More redundantly, the average entrepreneur during a business day spends more than an hour every single day creating reports, sometimes the same report multiple times in the same day with a different name on the front cover. This is a major problem. As an innovator, someone trying to create a product, go to market, raise capital, raise a family, have a life, and at the same time change the world in your own personal way or build value for your community, time is far more important than money. The power of community and automation. This is what TrepScore brings to life. TrepScore is this looks very complicated now that I look at it. Geez, sorry about that, guys. I'm just joking, it's not very complicated at all. Very simple process. What we do is we make your data, the things that you're inputting into every single day, we don't want that to change. What we do is we make it actionable, effortlessly. We allow you to connect multiple APIs into one centralized database with a machine learning algorithm, multiple machine learning algorithms built into it that detect not only your averages and tendencies, but we also detect your deviations. By having your documents into one system, we can also help you organize yourselves in a more efficient, automated manner. Having a robot as a research assistant and admin for you 24 hours a day. In essence, our automated data analysis module takes a look at all the things that are coming into your business, your social media accounts, your growth, your marketing, your accounting, your developer portal, how many lines of code are being, all these things you generally think about, our system actually collects, stores, and analyzes for you. What we do with it is much different than anyone else you'll ever see. We've actually created 3 different modules. One of them, it allows us to send you alerts to the direct person in your company. So if you're a salesperson, you have a sales manager, and sales is dropping, your sales manager, along with you as a co-founder, will get an alert stating, hey, sales is down 10%. Something's going wrong here. A few places that do that. The other thing we do is we create insights, which are the exact opposite. Hey, your sales are up 10%. Whatever you're doing right now, do that again and document it. Store it into a bin, share it with the community through machine learning tools so that others can also improve their own performance. And the last thing that we do, no one on planet Earth does, and this is per, I won't say the name, but it's the number one website in the world, we actually create data-driven content, specifically designed for you. If you are an early stage mobile app company in the gaming sector, and we notice that your downloads are down 12%, we have sourced and curated multiple videos, articles, and podcasts that have helped other founders get back on their feet and get their numbers back to normal. Data-driven content eliminates the need for multiple searches. Getting the information you need right when you need it is really our primary function. On top of this, we also provide a customized document storage system designed specifically for the startup entrepreneur. This is a very simple black box theory of the way that things work. You connect a bunch of stuff, and then through any device, we can actually help you run your company more efficiently. So our platform, by nature, is designed as a dashboard. Please don't confuse us with a dashboard company. We're far more intelligent. Our dashboard system will actually track and monitor all of your activity, allow you to store information in a seamless and easy manner. It will also allow you to track all the activity going on within your accounts. This triggers data-driven content, which is delivered directly to your phone. The information you need right when you need it. We also have a document storage system that's designed for you to be able to manage a company the way that the big guys do, at an enterprise level. So instead of having a blank slate storage facility, you actually have predetermined documents. We can tell you what every investor in the world, what documents they want to see, what documents you need to have on file. So instead of guessing, fill in the blanks. These blanks are not connected to your data. So when you sign a new customer, or you bring in a new person, whatever the case may be, that triggers a data event with us, which will actually send you a reminder letting you know, by the way, you have a new customer, add the document here so you don't have to worry about it later. I've learned this the hard way through 2 acquisitions, by the way. Keep it together. Extras. We're more than a software platform. We're building a community of entrepreneurs. High-performing companies in our platform get multiple benefits, with more being announced, and these are being announced early next week, so you're one of the first to know about it. High-performing companies in our platform, we have put in deals with publishers, TV, radio, media, to be able to get you the exposure you need as a high-performing entrepreneur. This is something that needs to be seen instead of hearing pitches all day. The other thing that we've done is we've structured multiple financial deals. So there are companies right now, microfinancers and lenders, that are using your data, the data that's being put into a machine learning tool, to be able to immediately underwrite loans. Imagine having the capability of running a company as fast as you can, and then when you need it, pushing a button, getting $50,000 in 24 hours. This is reality. So what's next for us? Very simple. Our process, we're raising capital in January in case there's any investors. But for the entrepreneurs, what we're doing is we're actually increasing the amount of data feeds we have. That'll pump up to about 60 by the end of next month. Adding key metric calculations. Who in here would never have to ever want to auto or manually calculate your ARPU, cost of a new customer? These things should never be done manually. By connecting your accounts, we can actually give you your metrics on the spot. We'll also be launching an investor model, which allows you to never have to make one of these things ever again, unless it's for an ideation of something that's in your head. You will be able to give a statistical breakdown of your company, where you're at, and what you need, just like you would on the back of a baseball card. Simply put, you hand someone a card, they can check in your account. We'll also be enhancing our data visualization and inputting some more partnerships. Wow, that thank you got really huge in the transfer. My name is Eric Rice, I'm the CEO of TrepScore. I'd love to talk to any of you about it. We are in live beta, requested invite. We'd love to get you into the system. We're early, but we'd love to grow with you. The way the machine learning tool works, the stronger the community and information being put into it, the better off you are in the end. Thank you so much for your time.